I'm gonna do right in the middle and see how it's turned out. Hope I get enough space. If you're not sure, just get whole nails, so you don't miss anything. Which is maybe I should. Sorry. Because I hate to missing one petals and it doesn't look good. Okay, give it 30 seconds. How are you, everyone? And it's how are you? How's your weekend? It's coming nice weather down here in Florida, and then our governors will allow people to go to the beach now. So then did people get to go to the beach and swimming now? Oh, they're going, like everybody getting tan, and it's really nice here. So hopefully it's gonna kill all that freaking like coronavirus. So we're down here, it's really nice and warm now, but we still can't work yet. So, but I still able to do beautiful set of nails. Like I'm in tutorials for all of you here. I haven't been in the beach at all, so don't be jealous. I'll be with everyone's. Okay, so this is super cute. I can't have it. Let me see, which way should I go? Doesn't matter, you will never go wrong with this. So either way, let's try to get the really good detail from this. You know what happened is my nails long, that's why it's just gives me a hard time. But hold on, wait a minute. What did I do? I want whole nails. No. No, I want this. It's okay. It's not what I want, but it's okay. I'll leave with this. This is cute though. Not complaining. We'll see how it's turning out. Ah, look at this. It's come right off. Because I did whole nails, so I can do another part right here. Maybe right there. Just a little bit. I applied the transfer foil for and tie the nails so I can get it out. Really cool. All right, so I am going to do some fun thing with this and see how I can create some cool thing. Let me put condensed gels on. It's really thick density, you can see this. And do the whole nails. Do not afraid of to blend it nicely because it's really thick density and you can just blend it nicely. And and no white top coat. This will help so much with crystal placements. Doesn't matter flat back 3D or chain and charms. If you're doing this concept that I sharing you don't have to worry about top coat again after you finish. It's already done. I'm gonna get my Diamond Dust Pixie Hold on. The yellow. I have a whole collection right here. I love this. Let me try this one on just some of them. You see? Or maybe I should do this. All right, so let me pour it on the both of them on the tray. Thank you, Lily. And separate tray. And see it's gonna turn out. Okay, I have to get pink on this because the background is green. It's so vibrant. And I have to have that. Okay. I'm so obsessed with this. Nuna, I can't wait to see your creations and all of you. We get the beautiful products. Play and create that. Please tag us so we can see your beautiful works and get the opportunity to feature you. All right, hold on. I think I'm good. You can add more. And I need the 2 tray for this too. Oh, this is stunning. If you like to be stopped right here, I think it's great. If you want to add some diamond dust pixie, I think it looks cute too. Let's try that because, you know, sometimes it out of the box is good. Just a little bit. You need just a little bit. That's all I need, maybe. If I need more, I can always get more out. So then that's why you won't contaminating with I think with the gels getting to the bottles. Super cute. All right, let's see how we can play with this. And really cool. I'm using my, what happened that always is black out?
Well, what happened?
Okay, good. I don't know why I couldn't view it. So using a twin tip brush, and I can pick some of my Diamond Dust Pixie. Just right in the white. Is that cool? Just you don't have to hold pixie on whole fingers. You can do some pixies on some accents. Like I feel like, I don't know what type of flower is this. It looks like a cherry blossom. No, I don't know. I'm not good at flowers, everyone. If anyone is good at like what's the name of the flowers, then advise me. Oh, looks good. It feels like it's textures on it. Now I'm starting having fun with this pixie now. I will take few of pixie out, and if you're doing this for your clients like a press on or the clients that detail, I think this one looks so stunning. Great. Cool. Okay. Now great. So, oh, it looks good. If you look closer, you can see that. And let me see if I can fill it in. Just wipe my brush off and pick up some of my green. It doesn't have to be necessary like cover completely. I just want to see some accent, see how it turned out. Looks not bad. If you don't like really like want to get the green on, you can just get the white part, the AB, and key it and call it good. It looks gorgeous anyway. I just want to challenge myself something cool and different. It's stunning though. I feel like Ashley right now, like just playing with this when nobody care for it. The more you play with this, the more you feel like more fun with that. Like you're saying, it's fusioning. You never think we can do so much with fusioning, but actually it's like really cool. I do like this. They still have the effects of the chromes underneath. Beautiful. Looks good. Because I didn't want to cover, so you have an option of the clients get part of the Pixie. Clients have like a full covers of the Pixie and then like design with the Pixies. So looks not bad at all. Something, some other flowers are missing something in there. Oh, look at that. What type of flower is that? Only of this is different. Looks cute. Okay, I'm gonna key this one. For 60 seconds. Looks good. Great. It's different though, everyone. I don't know, every